Namaste friends, my name is Mokshit. Today I am going to tell about exponents and powers. Exponents is nothing but the power which we write upon a number is known as exponent. Let the n be exponent or power. This is exponent and this is called as base. If a number has square, when the power is 2, we call it as square. And for writing that, we have to multiply that many times. If there is 2 on the 2 is the power, then we have to multiply 2 times. And for a to the power 3, we will write as cube, a cube. So and we will write as a into a. And we will learn today the laws of exponents. The first law is a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to when multiplication is done between two terms and both terms bases are equal, same, but both terms exponents are different, then we have to write as a to the power m plus n. Example, 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 7. Then we can write as 10 to the power 5 plus 7 is equals to 10 to the power 12. This is the first law. Second law, a to the power m by a to the power n is nothing but a to the power m minus n. Example, 12 to the power 5 by 12 to the power 3. You can write as 12 to the power 5 minus 3 equals to 12 to the power 2. Third law, a to the power 0. When any number's exponent is written as 0, then we can write that term as 1. Example, 100 to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Now the fourth law is a to the power minus n. We can write a to the power minus n is equals to a to the 1 by a to the power n. Therefore, example, 12 to the power minus 5. We can write that as 1 by 12 to the power 5. And fifth law, power to the power law, a to the power m whole to the power n. When one term has exponent and that exponent also in the term is added to the another exponent, we can write that as a to the power m into n. Example, you can write that as 12 to the power 5 whole to the power 6. You can write that as 12 to the power 5 into 6 equals to 12 to the power 30. Sixth law, a to the power n into a to the power m, b to the power n. When the both terms exponent and is same and both the terms base are not same, then we can write that as ab whole to the power n is nothing but a into b whole to the power n. And next law, next law. Okay, and for this example, let us take 7 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5. We can write that as 7 into 10 whole power 5, nothing but 70 to the power 5. And the last and final seventh formula, a by b whole power m. When the a by b in the form of p by q and the p by q form is also a term, and it has exponent m. We can write that as a to the power m by b to the power m. Example, 7 by 5 whole power 6. We can write that as 7 to the power 6 and 5 to the power 6. And this is all for today. Thank you.